Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn about graph transformation. We are going to learn two types of transformation in this video: horizontal transformation, and next slide we will learn about vertical transformation. So let's say there is a function, let's say fx, and the horizontal transformation happens when you transfer this function into y equal f into x plus a. Then this function will move left or right in the graph. So let's have a look at an example. So let's say y equal x squared as a function, and what is going to happen is we are going to transfer this function into, let's say, x plus 2 squared. If we draw this function, then we can get this function easily. So that's the idea. So this is our a, a in this one. So let's see how to plot this one. So the plotting this one is pretty easy. We have seen this several times. This is going to be a convex function, goes through origin. So what about this one then? This is x plus 2. Let me use a different color, which means you're adding plus 2, which means this curve is going to shift to the left by 2 units. So this would looks like, so this is y equal x plus 2 squared. If a is positive, it will shift to the left. If a is negative, it will shift to the right. So let's look at the reason why this x plus 2 shifted to the left. The reason is, so if you look at this coordinate, this is going to be minus 2. The reason is, if x is minus 2, if you substitute x to minus 2, this is become 0. So this point, the same effect you achieve in this point can be achieved here because of this minus 2, because this whole thing inside becomes 0. So everything will shift 2 units to the left. That is called horizontal transformation. Now we will see vertical transformation. So vertical transformation is quite straightforward. For example, if you have a function like f equal fx, then y equal fx plus a will vertically transform the fx function. Let's look at an example. Y equal x squared, and if you sketch this one, then how can you use that to sketch this one? X squared plus 2. Okay, so this is our a. So let me sketch the y equal x squared. We know that this is going to be like this, and plus 2 means, so here we are, this transformation, this one is actually adding plus 2 to this one. This means actually you shift this function 2 units in the y direction. So this graph will shift it. So this is 2. In vertical transformation, if a is positive, you shift the graph in the y direction. If a is negative, you push the graph downwards. So that is called vertical transformation. Let's look at an example. This is a fx equal x into x plus 2 into x minus. So this is a cubic equation, and they have given you the roots. The roots are x equal 0, x equal minus 2, x equal 2. So if you want to sketch this one, this graph, it looks like this. So there are 3 roots. X equals 0 is one root, x equal minus 2 is another root, x equal 2 is another root. So which means the graph is a cubic function. So if you remember the cubic function, it's something like this, but so it's going to take a shape like this. So the shape will be like this because it should go through these 3 points. So the shape of this graph would be something like this. So this is the shape of this graph. So this is the answer to the first question, and then they're asking sketch a graph fx plus 2. So you know this is a vertical transformation. So this graph will be shifted 2 units to the top. So what is going to happen is it goes through like this. Something like this. So every point is shifted by 2 units to the left. That is the answer to this one. The next one is inside the bracket. So this is a horizontal transformation, and this is a -1. There's a -1 here, which means it should be shifted to the right side by 1 unit. So it's going to go through this way. This one, so this point will be shifted here, this point will be shifted here, and this point will be shifted here. So the graph is going to be, it goes through 0 and goes through this way, and this is the answer to the part C. I hope it makes sense. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video we will learn about 2 more transformations. Thank you. Bye bye.